So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block ads on your browser, and it can be worked on any web browser you like. So how to do this? Let's get started. First, what you need to do is get over to your browser and then go over to the extensions tab. Just go over to the extension store, and here you have to type uBlock. Just hit enter, and then you need to find uBlock origin light. Just click on this and then click on add. Once you add this completely, just relaunch your browser, and then you'll see that no ads are coming in front of you again. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.